Oleh voin hi August nili ania a Harmony of the Seas ka meka tuna hian Royal Promenade ta cabin te kan change awangin hai ka meka hi video masalama Royal Theatre karon nang law nakhania hi ka Facebook profile picture lak nakhania la elevator sa ya Boleros Lounge ania chuan Sor excursion guest hawinan mani in excursion and excursion booking 10 nani chuan in Harmony Facts something kalna diklo Boleros bar nuam takan hei helai shopping mall ania helai chin shopping te chuan nei thlang lama te po shopping oma te hi cruise operation tak lai chuan in passenger nei kan om lai chuan kan service lai chuan hangi shopping mall thil zor na fekani lai kan Royal Port Merchants Royal Caribbean Port Merchants intia hai chuan nei ha lai poi bar te omaki bar Sorrentos oh hei hi long chung ani lo mata khain lo tinga long chung fekani hai chuanin he bar hi bar nia he bar hi thlok the ni khi takina thlok chho theya ki takina thlok chho theya tia na ron chu khala thina ni hi rising bar kan tia bar nuam takani chani nei cafe promenade ka thian ten coffee and lameka an indon aniang chuanin hetlai hi regalia luxury watches sana to tak tem thin ani tahanan zor thi chuanin sim I'm here 1 minute I'm coming chuanin long tang om ve ngai me lo Royal Caribbean long chau om thin chu hei robot bar kan tia ku bionic bar kan tia ku robot khuanin I drinks order piang ka lo siam zel don ani hang hi company dang longa om ve lo ti kha ani bionic bar Royal Caribbean a hian Harmony of the Seas a hian pani nge pathum oma chuanin long thanga po om chuanin nei Sor excursion khania chuanin nei the port and shopping decks nia ta hianin ini Royal Promenade kah ini Royal Promenade kah ni tu nah hian nei cruise kan pan training ma kan ni say hi
Hola welcome to Henry YouTube again.
Where are we going now? Let's go. 1 minute. Let me just go up. Chỗ này hiện nên chùa cái chầu mẹ cả. Khasam paruk lai cruise service hi kan chal to fangin training akal training an pe uluk le helai hi focus photo gallery ania longa photograph department photo department how na tho na ani ei tam am so ta sa so I'll click photo from here once. He loyalty decks. Hello, here live music play in it. Music cool chi new part lam mấy nang chi ka an ti thina ni helai an so people are there, they are having training there.
It's okay, we can pass by.
Kha Royal Promenade tani